What's going on, YouTube? It's okmall. Today I'm going to show you guys how I speed up Stoneshard. Now this is a question I get constantly on my videos while I'm streaming. I just get this question asked of me a lot. Now I know there's a mod out there that does include a speed setting for the game, but if you guys are like me, you don't really want to modify the base files for Stoneshard, then I have an alternative for you. So the program that I use to help me speed up Stoneshard is going to be called Cheat Engine. Now this program has been around for a very long time and I have used it in the past. So I'm going to show you guys where to go for the website, what link to download, get it installed, and then I'm going to show you it in action. So let's go over here. What you're going to want to do, and I already have it searched right there, Cheat Engine. Obviously it says cheatengine.org right there. That is the main website. Just click the link. And then we have one big giant download button. Doesn't look like it's a legit button, but it is. That is the button we're going to be pressing. So download Cheat Engine. Wait for that to fully download. And in this case, we got it. I'm just going to go ahead and open it up. It goes straight to my download folder. Click. You'll then have this little window for setup language. Select the language of choice. In this case, we're going with English. Then you'll get a welcome to Cheat Engine installer. We're just going to hit next. Now here we have the RAV Endpoint Protection Elite. Keep in mind this is a free program, so we do not want to hit accept. This is an optional thing. Just hit decline. Second optional, decline, or just skip all. There we go. It says thank you for installing Cheat Engine. Now you can launch the application upon exit, so hit finish. Now we can try out the tutorial. The tutorial is pretty nice if you guys want to get a little bit more involved with how to hack or how to cheat in games. Now obviously I'm not recommending anybody to do this for games that are online, but for your own personal experience on your own single player games, you want to mess around a little bit within the terms of agreements, whatever, feel free. It is kind of fun to cheat in your own games. I'm not gonna lie, I've done it in the past. It's been, you know, you beat a game, you want to have some fun with it, it's cool. But we're not going to need that. No. I don't know what this is. This is the first time I've seen this. No, we don't want that. Hit the X on that. Okay, so now we have the Cheat Engine program loaded up. It's very easy to use, but we do not have the correct process loaded up just yet. So if you go to process list, I don't have my Stoneshard loaded up. So I'm going to get that loaded up real quick. Okay, so now that we have the game loaded up, obviously this is going to be 1x speeds. As you can tell, it's pretty slow. Just go ahead and load up the Cheat Engine. So now we can actually press the processes here. Click, and you'll notice Stoneshard is now listed. Select that as your process and hit open. So now it says at the very top of Cheat Engine, it says Stoneshard is the application for which we are modifying files. In this case, we don't need to do anything crazy. We're not trying to manipulate the game in any other way except for this enable speed hack button right here. Now I've noticed in some games, the enable speed hack option doesn't actually work for some games. So you can't do this for every single game out there. Keep that in mind. Stoneshard is just unique in that fashion. So click enable speed hack, and then you're presented with either a slider or just type it in. I always go with about 3x speeds. For most games, going for 500 makes no sense. It's just gonna probably break the game. So go for 3, hit apply. Simple as that, and load the game back up. And now you'll see we are going fast as lightning. And that's really all there is to it, chat. Easy peasy. So with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this channel with your friends and family, and we'll catch you all next time. Bye.